forgive the mess, but here's a follow-up on the carpart.com bumpers. Start with the back one. The back bumper actually went really smoothly. It was quite easy. So every tab clicked in just like it's intended. I'm waiting on one more reflector to get in so that it doesn't have the other side, but this reflector snapped right in perfectly. So now for the front bumper. The front bumper, it had a real tendency to twist, and it did that quite a bit. So it was a little bit of a fight to get these fog lights in. I will say, really cool, it came with all of the J-nuts for the fog light assembly already installed. That is not normal for these. You'll see I got vice grips over here. A good deal of tabs on this one did this kind of thing. So this one was really bad, so I have vice gripped it overnight. Hopefully it'll go back. I had one down here that was a real pain. It took 2 of us to get this thing clicked in, just because it had a real tendency to deform. But that being said, even with the tendency to deform, it went together. The tabs click nice, so I want to give them a lot of credit for that. So if you order from Certifit, a lot of times these retaining tabs, when you click them in, they do not like to click in and stay. These ones clicked in quite nice, actually. So it held pretty good. Well, I say that, I'm actually got to push a couple of these in over here that didn't get in all the way. But I'll get this pushed in real quick. Where they do go in, they click and hold quite nicely. So that's a really nice feature of these ones. But they're ready to go on the car now. So what I will say is, I think the tendency of this front bumper in particular to twist and get misshapen is actually the factory design, because the factory bumper is the same way. So it may not even be on them. I don't like the fact that they come all folded, but this here's evidence that it actually worked out a-okay. So I'm going to get this thing installed tomorrow, and it will be on the car. Alright, here we are. Final product. So you'll see it's not perfect. Just got the dent in the fender here. Still, there's the bumper where down here you got the marks where I heat gunned it and popped the dent out. Those will be there forever. Some dents on the other side, the door. I mean, this is all cost savings things. But overall, it turned out very nice.